Namaste, everybody. In the span of my career, I have had several people come up to me and ask this very simple question: is it feasible to start learning Kathak as an adult? And my answer always has been, what's the age got to do with it? Age is just a number, a term that you all must be familiar with. Sounds like a cliche, but it's not. It's actually mind over matter. If you do not mind, then it doesn't matter. Honestly speaking, age is not a barrier, and one should refrain to use it as an excuse to pursue your dream or follow your passion in life. So, as long as you are of a able mind and body, you have the will for it, age should never be a deterrent. Let me share my personal experience. My mother is 77 and was born in a small town of Gujarat. She got married at the young age of 17 and had her first child, me, at the age of 19. My younger siblings soon followed. She got caught up raising us and taking care of the family, and when all her responsibilities had more or less ended, she finally decided to make herself a priority. At the age of 55, she learned how to drive, and at 65, she started learning dance. Today, at the age of 77, she still performs at various functions and cultural meets. So, the moral of the story is age is neither a barrier nor an excuse to achieve your dreams. And this holds true for anything that you want to do: learn to dance, get an education, or even run for office. So, think big, trust yourself, and make it happen. As youngsters, we often learn something that our parents feel appropriate for us, or we think it would be an ideal for us. But now, as an adult, to make a conscious decision to learn Kathak serve you better in life, because you are making that choice for yourself. You are passionate about it, committed to it, so you would dedicate the time it needs to nurture the art form. And in the process, you not only learn the art, as a bonus, you get a physical and a mental workout. After all, mind is a muscle which also needs exercise. I acknowledge that Kathak is a vast ocean of knowledge that calls for physical, emotional, and intellectual harmony. And I realize that it is difficult to grasp every point, every detail, especially when beginning to learn late in life compared to those learning since childhood. Even it being so difficult, I have been witness to my own students overcoming these barriers through their resilience. Let me tell you another story. I had the opportunity of teaching Dr. Neha Patel, a successful gynecologist in Anand and a mother of two grown up kids. She started training at the age of 37, and during the course of her training, she met with a horrific road accident. Her tibial bone was fractured into two segments, for which she underwent two operations. But even after going through such a traumatic experience, her will and passion for dance remained intact. At the age of 45, she completed her Kathak Vishara. Another example is of my student Dr. Divya, whose performance you witness in today's webinar. She started learning Kathak while pursuing her homeopathic degree, and within a short span, she embraced the art and achieved several milestones. And today, I am proud to say that she has set up her own dance academy, and she now helps others in pursuing their dreams. So, both are the perfect examples of following and listening to your heart's voice. I have had the good facility of mentoring many such adults who started late, but through their grit and determination achieved the impossible. As an artist, my learning process also continues at this age. The word Kathak originated from storytellers who expressed themselves through Kathak. Katha kahe so Kathak. As adults, you all have many enriching life experiences and several stories to tell, which is the first step or foundation of Kathak. One important point is Kathak is majorly performed while standing upright, which is convenient to even older adults. Learning and practicing Kathak increase your strength and stamina, gives you a great shape to the body, keeps your mind active and promotes sharpening your brain, releases mental stress, create inner happiness and self-satisfaction, and hence enhances a sense of well-being. No doubt the learning curve for an adult is slower, but you must not be discouraged by it. Also, the initial process of your learning will require conditioning of your body movements based on the technicality of the dance form. As we know that children have better regenerating capacity of the body tissues, which is a bit tricky for an adult. So when you start exploring Kathak, you shall bear that point in mind. So in conclusion, I would once again want to emphasize that learning does not cease at any age. Don't let the world ever tell you cannot do something. If you believe in yourself, if you are disciplined enough, dedicated enough, passionate enough, and willing to put in time and hard work, you can accomplish everything you want. And yes, you most definitely can learn Kathak. Thank you so much.